Let's understand the input sheet. On the top, you can enter details of your project, such as project name, prepare a reviewer, and location. Then we have basic input like feasibility title, first period date, periodicity, site area, GFA NSA, and BUA. Following that, we have inputs for land acquisition. Enter land purchase price, part payments made in cash. Here we can choose to enter certain % of land price, or we can enter the amount manually. Then we enter period of payment. Cash flow period and total cost will appear here. You may enter other land acquisition cost in the similar way.